Hypothetically, what if the Earth stopped spinning? Not slowly, not over time, but all at once, as if someone pressed pause on the entire planet. 1 second, you're watching the sunset. The next, the air itself turns into a wall. The surface of the Earth is moving at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. If the ground stopped, but the atmosphere didn't, the air would keep going, sweeping across the planet at supersonic speed. For a few terrifying minutes, the sky would tear the world apart. Skyscrapers would bend like reeds. Oceans would rise into the sky, turning into vapor and spray. The air would scream hotter than fire, colder than fear. Humanity, to 85% of it, would vanish in those first moments. The wind itself would erase everything it ever touched. But somewhere near the poles, where the spin is slower, a few might survive. Maybe scientists in the South Pole Station, looking out at the frozen horizon, wondering why the sun had stopped moving. For them, time would go quiet. At the equator, the chaos wouldn't stop. Wind over oceans would whip the water into storms, bigger than anything the planet has ever seen. Waves taller than skyscrapers, tsunamis racing across continents. And as the energy faded, the world would fall silent under a blanket of fog. The day and night would disappear. The side facing the sun would burn, a permanent day of endless heat. The other side would freeze in darkness, an eternal night colder than anything alive could endure. Between them, a narrow line, a twilight where life might still hold on. It's strange, isn't it? The only reason life works is because the Earth never stops moving. We spin and forget that we're spinning. Every sunrise, every breath is possible because of that motion we never feel. Maybe the universe keeps moving so that we never have to look too long at the silence. But the moon, our faithful companion, wouldn't let it end like that. Its gravity would tug on the Earth, slowly, patiently, pulling the planet back into motion. Year by year, millennia by millennia, the spin would return, until one day the world would turn again. Maybe the real miracle isn't that the Earth spins, but that it keeps spinning no matter what tries to stop it. So, hypothetically, what if the sun stopped too? Let's find out in the next episode of Hypothetical Verse. If this made you see the world a little differently, leave a like. And tell me in one word, what would you call a world that forgot how to move? Subscribe for more impossible questions and the quiet wonder of science that feels like poetry.